Tell you what else is true. Here we have some danger level in India. This is a cow chasing a motorbike. And I know what you're thinking. You're saying to yourself, well, this isn't, I mean, just keep riding your motorbike. So what? You're on the motorbike.
How fast can a cow be?
That's what you're thinking, right?
Yeah.
Well, here's the thing. And you know what I was thinking?
What's that?
I was thinking, well, the cow's going to chase you for a bit. It's going to get distracted. But play the clip. Well, play the clip.
Or tired.
Something's going to happen. So the cow's spots, okay, goes past the cow. And the cow goes, no.
Cow has horns.
Cow goes, you don't tap me like that. Whoa. Cow goes, you don't.
Oh.
You think you're...
Oh, my God. On this crowded street?
Cow goes, you think you can just kind of swerve me like that? Swerve past me like that?
Oh, it cuts through the bike?
So now this guy, this is the point of view of the person being chased. Keep looking back.
Yeah.
Keep looking back. You're terrified. The cow is so focused on the one guy. Mm-hmm. It's not like any of these things are distracting. That's my guy. I'm going for him. He pissed me off or whatever, or he's a threat or whatever it might be. And you'll see here as the clip progresses that
the cow's beside him.
you saw the cow's face there, and boom, hits the brakes, slides as the guy comes to a stop. What a wild encounter. I didn't know the cow would have such a grudge.
That chase lasted a long time.
I didn't know a cow had the stamina or the grudge or you know, you see the back one, the
kicks
left,
like shuffling.
The back left goes out a little bit to the side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I just appreciate the
Look at this guy.
Determination.
Yeah.
He's like John Wick,
Yeah.
weaving through traffic.
This is just another day.
And imagine everyone else. They're like, yo, why is that cow chasing you? Hey, everyone else like, what'd you do to that cow?
What'd you do to that?
Yeah, I don't know what he did, man. I really don't. I mean, he might have grazed him, but the cow is so focused on this one bike.
And where does it go from
Maybe
here?
he smelled like something. Maybe the cow was disturbed by some sort of scent, like some type of cologne or something. He's like, oh, you're a problem. You got to go.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the horns on this cow. Those are huge. I've never seen horns like this.
Oh, yeah. You have horns like this, Mo. Don't you worry. Someone in the chat says the cow had beef with him.
That's clever.
Is there any resolution that they
Yeah, he's dead.
squash the beef?
The guy's
or
dead.
what?
Squash the... You better stop it over there.
Oh, sorry.
Well,
No, I don't think there is. I think it's one of those... And maybe there probably is somewhere deep. This is one of those clips that will resurface on Reddit forever.
Sure.
Like
yeah.
till the end of time. As long as the internet exists, this clip will continue to just roll around and find itself back on top. So somebody probably has the backstory, just not us.
Yeah.
Jeez, Will, what are you doing to us today? My God.